Hello guys, welcome back again to this channel where we make delicious and mouth-watering delicacy. If you are new here, you are welcome. Today I will be preparing okra soup. This recipe is so easy. If you want to see how I prepare this, please come with me. And please do not forget to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up so that I can go to a wider audience. Thank you. The list of ingredients are okra, fresh prawns, cooked ponmo or cowskin, onions, mackerel fish, cooked shaki, palm oil, fresh pepper atarodo, tomatoes, locust beans, maggi and salt, and then dry fish. So come with me as we prepare this delicious soup. The first thing I will be doing is to cut off the head of the okra, and then I will show you the next thing to do. The next thing I will be doing is to grate the okra with my mini food processor, or you can use blender. By doing this, I will cut the okra into smaller chunks in order for me to be able to grate this well. Or better still, you can also chop this okra or cut this with your knife. And now that we are done, I will go ahead to put this into a clean bowl and then I'll set aside. In a clean pot, I will add my palm oil, allow to heat up a bit, and thereafter I will be adding my onions and fry these for some minutes. Now that our onions is well fried, I will then add my fresh pepper, aka atarodo, the one you know you can tolerate. I will then go ahead to stir this up, and I'll also allow it to fry for some minutes. Then next thing I will be doing is to add my locust beans and stir this up. I will go ahead to add my crayfish. You want to be generous with your crayfish at this point, and then I will stir this up. Now I will be adding my tomatoes, and then I will give this a stir. I will cover this to cook for 5 to 6 minutes and then open up the pot. And now I will add my cooked ponmo, which is cow skin, and I will also be adding my shaki. It has been cooked already. I will then go ahead to add my dry fish and wash this with my hot water and salt, and then I will also add the mackerel fish, which I grilled myself, and then I'll give everything a stir. If you don't have mackerel fish grilled one, you can use a fresh one. If you don't also have ponmo shaki, you can also cook the food like that. Now I'll be adding my maggi, and then I will also add salt to taste, and then I will go ahead to add a little water to loosen this up, and I will stir this. I will be covering this to cook for some minutes, and then I will open up the pot and I will stir this, and then I will be adding the okra. Now that I've finished adding the okra, I'll stir this up in order for the stew and the okra to marry each other. And then I will be adding a little water to loosen this up as well. If you want it to be a little bit liquid, you can add more water, but for me I prefer it to be like this. Now I'll be adding my fresh prawns. If you don't have fresh prawns, that you have the dry big one, you can also add it to it, and I'll give everything a stir. And then I'll go ahead to cover this to cook for just few minutes. I will open it up. Wow, our soup is ready. Now I'll be adding my onga. Adding your onga is optional. I'll add this to give it a delicious taste. I'll stir this up as well. And now I'll be adding my fresh ugu leaf. You can add your dry ugu leaf, bitter leaf. You can even add oziza leaf or scent leaf. Anyone you have, just do you. Now our soup is ready. Guys, this soup was so yummy and delicious. You can pair this up with any swallow of your choice. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.